if you are trying to convince your parents so that they don't compare you with relatives children, then try not to be very aggressive about it. Try to be more calm and just tell them how does it feel to you, because the moment you try to be aggressive and try to make them know this is not true, you're doing wrong, they take it very like, how to say, they take it very badly, like, you, how can you say things like this when we have seen more world. They come to the same thing always, that we have seen more world than you, we are more aged, we know what's good for you. And they usually don't listen and understand easily. So if you try to be very aggressive, that's not gonna help. Instead, try to be more calm, more polite, and ask them what is their expectations from you, which is not judgmental or comparable to other person, but from you. And ask them to be supportive. Explain how do you feel about it, what, when they compare, how do you feel about it, and when they don't compare, how it will feel to you. And you can also give multiple examples out there, like even same person who are in the same campus, same batch, will not get the same CTC or same company's job. So things and problems and situations and challenges that comes in everybody's life are completely different, though they already know this, but somehow somewhere you might have to tell them so politely, calmly, with few examples in your life, so that they can actually try to understand. And it will not happen in one go. Don't do that. There are times that you have to explain them multiple times. So be calm to yourself as well, that this is happening, I am okay right now. You don't have to lose your calm and be frustrated always about it, because no matter how hard you try, you cannot change people, and you cannot easily change the way people think about the situations and the life challenges throws at them. So instead of being so aggressive, so frustrated, so exhausted about it, be calm first to yourself, and knows that you have your own life path, you have your own life story and journey that is only for you. That success is determined only for you. That journey is only meant for you. You'll receive your success, you'll receive your goals, you will achieve your life, you will, the dreams that you have decided, you will achieve everything that you have decided in your life. Sometime it's gonna take time, other time it doesn't, but that's okay. Just remember always, you will not come to a point where you are comparing yourself with someone else, and you will not compare yourself with anyone out there in the world. Accept yourself, accept the version that you had yesterday or few days, few months before. That you make a promise to yourself, that no matter what, I'm not going to compare myself. You can compare in a way that makes you inspire, that makes you that if they can do it, I'm going to do it too. If they have achieved this in their life, that's an inspiration for me, that I can do it too. So go ahead and do it. And there are thousands of examples that you can find online where you can try to show it to your parents and make them understand that in your field there are thousands of successful people, like people exist, so you can do it too. You can.